I cannot believe how easy that it was. How easy to change those pumps. And the Tundra 2010 4.6 VA. So done, guys. Wow. I'm gonna show you email. Tell you how much they charge me the dealer to do this job. It's crazy. Holy cow. Wow. You cannot get so easy, guy, to do it. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna have a tough time putting this guard over here. This is where I'm gonna spend more time, because this is gotta go right, because you don't want to get that stuff wet, you know. And all those pop. I hate this thing. Look at that. I gotta figure out how we're gonna put this thing to holding it back together there, because they all fell off. Look. So it's done, guys. It's done. I just gotta go up there, connect the wires. Pretty much done over here. And put the guard, the protector over here. Unbelievable. Okay, so the next step is put this check valve on it there. This is the new one over here, and then I gotta take that one out of there. That one there. You see right there? That's the old one. So let's do that. So this has gotta come out of here. Jesus Christ. Nothing never is easy, you know? So shoot, still someone to come out, huh? Alright, I'm taking the whole thing out then. I got a service call to go. Somebody just called me, so I'm probably gonna be able to do this one. Then when I come back, I'll do the other one. Oh, freaking that, man. You know, I wanna get this thing done today, but I don't know. I think it's out. Just the rubber there doesn't look what I mean. All right, so let me see. I'm gonna do this one, and when I come back, I'll do the other one. Okay, so let's see. I'm out. Not yet. So it's about to. Isn't that crazy, dude? Freaking $300 for this thing over here. Holy shoot. So just think twice. I'm gonna buy a truck, because this stuff is expensive, dude. No joke. Okay. So I got this one out. Holy cow. Alright, so let me get the camera over here so you guys can see it. Okay, so let's go there. yeah, and that hole there. So this is the old thing. You can see this thing. This thing got like a water right there. I'm gonna take it apart. Not now, but we're gonna take it apart and find out what's inside, right, guys? So let me put this. I gotta clean up this. There's a gasket going on the other side, and yeah. Let me put this right quick because I gotta go do a service call. Somebody just called me. All right, so hang in there, guys. We'll be right back. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown what I did. As you guys see it, that's a mission check valve there. That was bad according to the computer. That one there, that's the bank 1 and bank 2 in this side over here. So right there. So I replaced that one too. I think it was like $600 for each one. Yeah, $600 for each one, and another $600 for the belt down there for those tanks. So it was like a $2,000 for just those two pieces. This one and that one, and the one on the bottom. This is the original part, straight for the dealer. I didn't want to put at the market when it comes to that. Because now I find out when I remove this, look what I found out over here. That's how dirty this is. And look inside over here. So I ran down to the store and I got this stuff over here. Intake air cleaner. Right, so I got some rag over here that I got. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna clean all this and then start this thing up, see if we start. All right, so coming up. Okay, so set, guys. So $2,000. Holy cow! Just in part. It's all done. Keep the finger crossed. See what happens. And this is a Tundra 2010. That's what I've been working. I hope this video helps somebody. 4.6L V8 liters. So 2010 Tundra. I like this truck. So let's see now. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how. Keep your finger crossed. See if all those lights are coming on. Oh, going to. Let me see if I could. How could load this steering wheel down here? Look at that. Thumbs up. Oh, I got it lower. Got signal, but I don't have the sensor for the tire. So, bam. Love it. Job well done. All right, guys. Tundra 2010. 4.6. I think my wife is gonna be happy. All right. Are you happy, baby?
Very happy.
Okay, later, Rodis.